Welcome to your new 3-level in-unit townhouse right here in the heart of Ashburn Farm, where you get everything. Community trails, basketball courts, community pool. This is the place to be. As you walk into the home, you're greeted by the main level bathroom as well as an additional closet. And then now we're standing in the living room. I love the fact of an attention to detail, including the custom trim, the custom molding throughout the living room and dining room. And take a look at how large this is. One thing you'll note that since this is an in-unit townhome, you get additional light. For our clients that love natural light streaming through, take a look at all of the additional windows that you get on the entire side of the home. You don't get that when you buy an interior townhome. What's something else every buyer wants? Hardwood flooring. You'll see the hardwood floors go all the way from the living room into the dining room and kitchen. And take a look at this formal dining room. Perfect for any event that you have throughout the year. Again, the trim molding at the top, the custom molding, and the chair rail all the way around. And I love the light that you get from this home and the privacy you have by backing to conservation area. As you walk into the kitchen, you're gonna notice upgrades. Upgrades from under cabinet lighting to granite countertops and of course, stainless steel appliances. Now, one thing that every kitchen needs, and many times in a townhome you lose it, is an actual pantry. So not only do you have all those cabinets and storage, you have an additional pantry to carry everything that you need. And now we've gone from the kitchen out to the exterior, and I love the large deck here with a walk down to your backyard. And there's nothing that beats the privacy that you have here, as well as backing to a conservation area and not worrying about backing to a neighbor. This is where you get to truly enjoy the outdoors and barbecuing and grilling with friends. Welcome to your primary bedroom, really your ensuite, where you have a full bathroom, a full walk-in closet. And one of the things that I love is the vaulted ceilings that really give you a sense of space. And the fact you don't look directly into your neighbors. You know, that's one of the issues when you're in your bedrooms is what are you back to? And here I love it that you back the common area and you have the trees. It's just truly inviting. It's a welcoming space where you can retreat to every day. In addition to having 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom on the upper level for all 3 bedrooms being upstairs, you have this. When there's a pull down staircase where you could lay down flooring and have additional storage. You know, that's always the issue for most people in townhome living is parking and storage. Welcome to the perfect lower level. There have been additions from recessed lighting to a newer bathroom, and take a look at this room. This is perfect for entertaining, even a private media room that you could have here on the lower level. So come on into your mechanical and storage room. What I love about this is you're not having to go into a tight corner or closet to get access to your HVAC and water heater. And right here you have your washer and dryer. Take a look at all the additional storage that you have, or even space for a workshop as you really make this home yours. Reach out to the Nellis Group today to learn how you can become the brand new resident in Ashburn Farm.